In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Monday.com with Gmail. By the end, you'll have a simple, reliable way to send emails automatically from your boards, reducing manual work and keeping everyone informed without lifting a finger. We'll move through the process carefully with practical tips to help you avoid common hiccups. First, open Monday.com and head to the board where you want emails to be triggered. In this walkthrough, the board is called Trial Management, but you can use any board that fits your workflow. Make sure you have the right permissions on that board, since integrations are configured at the board level. If you have lots of boards, use the search bar at the top to find it quickly. It's a good idea to confirm your columns and statuses are set up the way you want, because those fields are often used as triggers and placeholders in email templates. Next, look to the top right of the board and click Integrate. This opens the integration center for that specific board. Think of this space as your library of automation connectors. You can browse by app or use the search bar if you don't see what you need immediately. If you're new to integrations, remember that each board has its own integrations, so set them up on the boards where the emails should originate. If the integrate button isn't visible, it may be due to plan limitations or permissions, so check with your workspace admin. Now select Gmail and pick a template that matches your workflow. These templates are pre-built recipes that define a trigger in Monday.com and an email action in Gmail. For example, you might choose to send an email when a status changes to done, when a new item is created, or when a deadline arrives. As you choose a template, you'll see fields to customize the subject, recipients, and email body. Use dynamic placeholders like item name, owner, or status to personalize messages without manual typing. You may be prompted to connect and authorize your Gmail account. Simply follow the on-screen steps to verify access securely. Before enabling the integration for your entire board, consider testing with a sample item to make sure the timing, recipients, and message content are correct. Start narrow, such as only when a specific status changes, to avoid sending unnecessary emails. You can adjust, pause, or delete the integration anytime from the same integrate area. That's it. You've connected Monday.com with Gmail, chosen a template, and set up automated messages tailored to your board. Build confidently, test thoughtfully, and let automation handle the follow-through.